Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another Nutrisystem What I Eat in a Day video. So if you guys are curious about how I prepare my meals for Nutrisystem, then keep watching. Also, don't forget there is going to be a link in the description below for you guys to try out Nutrisystem.
Isn't this a good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks, citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages, show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. On and on it goes, round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes, swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Keep playing my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaches, sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Listening to me cry, to get a little lost in everybody's business. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size, not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes, round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On it goes, swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear.
Alright guys, that was it for this video. If you guys liked it, don't forget to press the like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Nutrisystem videos or workout videos. Some pretty tame, easy stuff, I promise. And I love you guys. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching this video all the way through if you made it up to this point. I love you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.
Isn't this a good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks.